Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let the stillness of this moment wash over you. As you inhale deeply, feel the cool air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Now, imagine you're standing at the edge of a peaceful valley, bathed in the warm glow of the early morning sun. You're surrounded by nature's beauty. Trees, flowers, and a soft, flowing river. The air is crisp, and the atmosphere is serene. Here, in this sacred space, you feel safe and grounded. Everything is at peace, and so are you. As you walk gently through the valley, notice how your body feels, light and free. With every step, you are drawn toward something wonderful, something you've been seeking for a long time. The key of abundance. This treasure is said to unlock endless joy, prosperity, and fulfillment. But as you move forward, there's a sense of knowing that the treasure you seek may not be what you expected. As you journey deeper into the forest, you notice the air itself seems to shimmer with magic. The trees sway gently, their whispers calling you closer. You feel an invitation in the air, a pull guiding you toward something, toward a deeper understanding of yourself. After a moment, you come upon a hidden glade. The light here is golden, warm, and inviting. And at the center of the glade stands a guardian, a figure cloaked in robes made of starlight. The guardian looks at you with eyes full of wisdom and compassion, as though they've been waiting for you. The guardian stands by a clear, still pool of water, their presence calming and peaceful. You feel drawn to kneel by the water's edge, where your reflection ripples softly. You seek the key of abundance. The guardian's voice is soft, like the wind rustling through the trees. But tell me, dear one, when was the last time you truly looked at what you already possess? As you gaze into the water, you see your reflection, but it's more than just your face you notice. Memories rise within you. Like gentle waves in the pool. Memories of love, of laughter, of all the beautiful moments that have already filled your life. The meals that nourished you, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the embrace of a loved one. All these gifts, so simple and yet so profound. And in this moment, you realize you've been searching for something outside yourself, when the abundance you seek has always been within you. A golden light begins to shine from the reflection, and a soft breeze stirs, as if urging you to take action. The guardian offers you a glowing quill, their eyes filled with encouragement and understanding. Right, dear one, the guardian says, handing you the quill. Write the things that fill your heart with gratitude, the things that bring you peace. For in gratitude, you will find the key of abundance, waiting to be unlocked. You take the quill in your hand, feeling its warmth, the energy flowing from it into your being. You begin to write, each word coming to life as it flows from your heart. With every expression of gratitude, the world around you begins to change. Soft, glowing butterflies flutter from the parchment, surrounding you in a cloud of light. As you write, you begin to feel a deep sense of peace. The simple act of gratitude fills you with a lightness you haven't known before. Each word of thankfulness you write lifts your spirit, and the world around you responds. The trees begin to bloom in vibrant colors. The rivers sparkle with the light of 1,000 diamonds, and the very air hums with the magic of life. Gratitude is like a key, unlocking the beauty and abundance that were always there, waiting to be seen. The glade transforms before your eyes into a paradise, a world alive with color, energy, and beauty. You watch in awe as flowers bloom, the rivers shimmer, and the sky opens up to a vast, endless horizon. Take a moment now to feel the transformation within you. As your gratitude grows, your world grows richer, more vibrant. You see the abundance all around you, the love, the beauty, the opportunities, the little moments that bring you joy. They have always been there. And as you embrace this, you realize that the key of abundance is not a distant treasure. It is within you. It is your power to unlock, your gift to embrace. Abundance is not something to chase. It is something to receive with an open heart. You stand, glowing with a soft, radiant light. The forest around you is alive, full of color and energy, and you feel connected to it all. Your heart is light, filled with gratitude, and your spirit is lifted. The golden light follows you as you walk through the glade, your steps filled with purpose and peace. As you begin your journey back, carry this sense of gratitude with you. Let it fill every moment, every breath. Feel the magic of abundance flow through you, and know that the more you cultivate gratitude, the more your life will reflect the richness that has always been yours. Gratitude is not just a practice. It is the magic that turns ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. Your heart glowing with light. The golden glow follows your steps, and the world around you shimmers with life. Take a deep breath now, and gently open your eyes. Carry the peace, the abundance, and the gratitude from this moment into your day. And remember, the key of abundance has always been within you. Chakri.